Let's do a tour of the room before the participants arrive. There's a welcome poster here outside the door, so people will know that they're in the right place, and it starts to create a sense of safety, a sense of being at a certain sort of event. In the room, we lay out the chairs. They weren't like this when I arrived. I had to rearrange the furniture, in this case, into an arc of 15 seats for the 15 participants. It just about fits the size of this room. If the room were a bit smaller, or if there were a few more people, then we'd have 2 rows, or might even consider doing the thing in a circle. At the moment, there's a chair there for the facilitator and some flip charts, one in each corner of the room, so that they can be used for group activities. You'll see that there's a poster over here with a route map outlining the process of the 2 days. And there's all sorts of other things in the room as well. It so happens that this room has a clock in it, and that's in the eye line of the facilitator, so the facilitator can keep easy track of time. Not all rooms have a clock so conveniently placed, so I will bring a timepiece or follow the timings on my mobile device. Then you'll see a book corner or resource corner over here. This contains items that participants might like to browse, books that are relevant to the topic, articles, handouts, toys, puzzles, and things to fiddle them out with. Some people like to learn while moulding pieces of blue tack or playing with pipe cleaners, and that's fine. They're still focusing and listening to whatever's going on in the room while they're playing with these toys. We have music available. If people come into a room with music, brightly coloured objects, and a layout that's not too formalised, then they know it's going to be kind of a day where their creativity is called into play, going to be a playful sort of a day, likely to be participative and engaging in that way. Before you've even said anything about that, they've already got that message and that idea. There are also posters with content and activities, resource posters, people can add things, and this enables the beginning of the day to be a ragged start where people can come in, have a browse, have a chat to each other, look through books, add items to some of the posters that invite them to add items, and not be left hanging around with nothing to do before the programme officially begins.